As small business owners, we're always trying to find ways to connect with our customers in the moments that matter most to them. So as a plumber, for instance, if you're trying to figure out how can I rank better for drain cleaning in Towson, Maryland, really you're just trying to answer the question, how can I get my phone to ring for that? There are thousands of different ways that you can discover SEO keywords for your business, whether it's the Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or Semrush. But here at MarketKeep, honestly, the best way to do it is just to look at your competitors and look at a Google search result. So I want to share with you the two ways that we look at search terms and figure out ones to utilize for our businesses as well as for the customers that we work with, and they're completely free. So let's dive in. So if I'm trying to rank my business for drain cleaning in Towson, I'm just going to perform that search and I'm going to see what's actually ranking on the first page of Google search results. And that is also going to be what's ranking in ChatGPT, Google Gemini, so on and so forth. So first off, let's explain what this page looks like. Right here, what I'm highlighting is something called local service ads, or Google guaranteed, and that is a paid ad strategy. Then you also have what are called the traditional Google ads, which is just Google pay-per-click. Then you have the Google 3-pack, which is primarily controlled by local SEO in your Google business profile. You can run sponsored ads through those as well, but you can look at that as an option. Then you have the first 8 slots of a Google search result, and that is controlled by local or on-page SEO and the keywords you utilize on your website. Now, we all bump into these national and regional-based websites like Roto-Rooter from time to time, so we try to not look at them too much. They're great for, I think, like keyword research, but they're not necessarily the best true competitors. So let's take a look at a company like Hardy Plumbing that is a little bit local. So if our SEO keyword is drain cleaning in Towson, we recognize that they're utilizing that SEO keyword in their meta title, and then they also offer that in their meta description within the first few sentences. Then what I want you to be able to do is actually go to that website and take a look at the content itself. Now, to do that correctly, you can just do like Command F or Control F, and you can do like drain cleaning, and see how they list that. But I think the better way is to actually download this free SEO extension, and it's called Detailed SEO, and it'll tell you the title of the page, the description, the URL, and everything that goes along with it. And then you can also look at the heading structure. And this is what's so important when it comes to keyword research. It's not just finding a keyword, it's implementing it correctly and making sure that that keyword is listed in what's called the H1 title tag, and that you only have one H1 on the page, that it's listed in the first sentence or paragraph, and then it's listed in multiple H2s and H3s beyond that. And if you do that correctly, then you're able to rank your website. And what's great about going in and looking at a person for a different search term is you can then take that website's domain, go back to Google, type in site:indexing, and here you can see all the pages that Google and other search engines have included in the rankings and trying to figure out how they utilize them. So now not only can you see what they're doing to rank for drain cleaning in Towson, but you can look at all the different pages and you can understand what some of the SEO keywords that they're utilizing within their website to help drive traffic and conversions to their site. And this is my favorite way to do keyword research. It's so simple, it's so easy, and it's effective as well. Again, you can start to really understand like how a company like Heal Plumbing and HVAC is able to rank on the first page of search for drain cleaning in Towson, because they have drain cleaning in Towson, Maryland in their title tag. They have it in their meta description. Then you go to the website page, open up Detailed SEO extension, and you can see how they utilize drain cleaning in Towson on the content itself. It also explains why you have so many businesses stuck on page 3 and page 4, because if we were to go and look at like drain cleaning in Towson, and here we have Pro Plumber Towson, that's not the right SEO keyword to be using. That's why they're on page 3. If we go to page 2 and we scroll down a little bit on to page 2, right, you have different look at that, right? Michael and Sons, they're using drain clearing today, not drain cleaning. It's the wrong keyword, and that's why they're on page 2. A simple trick like that is the best way to find keyword research, best way to understand how your competitors are ranking in driving traffic to their website, and maybe where the missed opportunities are with your site. If you have any questions regarding keyword research, you want to learn a little bit more about your business, here at MarketKeep, we do offer a free SEO evaluation. Just click on the link below to get started, and we'll send a video back just like this, walking you through your website and what you can do to improve from a local, on-page, off-page, and AI search engine optimization standpoint. Thanks a lot, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.